amazing people, this is your little Pinay Jen and I'm back in my channel. I know it's been a long time without me uploading a new video, and some of you are probably disappointed or a little disappointed. I'm very sorry because as much as I want to, from Christmas to New Year, I wanted that moment to spend and focus to my family. But this time I tried to make a new video, which is the most requested video that you want me to do, is a house tour of my new humble house here in the province. As you can remember, last year I made a same video, but that was in the old humble house here in the province. This time I am happy to say that I able to finish that house that I was building for my grandparents, and we are actually living here now. We transferred here December 8th, and we are finally living here now comfortably, and I am very happy. Guys, I don't want to keep you wait. Let's go and start our tour of our new humble house here in the province. So first, guys, I am here in my room. It's not that really big area, like spacious, not really much, but so yeah, that's how it looks like. There's a air conditioned slot in there, and this is actually a very beautiful window outside, and that's how it looks like. Beautiful sky. So this is right here my bathroom. That's how it looks like. Let's go ahead and take a look the outside of my room. Excuse me, Max. Excuse me. That's my grandma right there. That's our little altar right there, and this is the stairway going down. 3 rooms. This is my grandma and my niece room, and that's mine right there. And this is my blind brother's room. We have a TV here, and we have this big mirror. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look right here. This is our balcony, like terrace area. Sorry because it looks really messy because we have a lot of laundry clothes right here. The reason why we have a lot of clothes here and the terrace is because we don't have laundry area yet, like where we can dry up our clothes outside, so we are still working on that. Oh, this is how it looks like. That's our terrace roof, and there's a lot of houses right here. So let's go ahead inside. Now we're going to go downstairs. So this is really like very tight spiral stairway. Okay, Max, he doesn't know how to go down. He only knows how to go up here, so I need to take him with me. Hold on, guys. Anna, come here. So guys, we're going down with Max. Okay. So guys, we're here now downstairs, and that's how it looks like. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 windows, and this is our kitchen area and washer plates, and that's the kitchen exit door. We have our little fridge, and that's our dining table, and that's our little living area. And these two doors here, this is the comfort room, and I'm gonna show you. So this is our comfort room right here. There's a window, and if you go here, this is our bathroom. So we have faucet and shower. So yeah, excuse me, Max. This area is not that spacious, you know. This is really like just for good for 4 to 5 person. Yeah, that's how it looks like here. It's just very simple and humble house here in the province. That's how it looks like going upstairs. And if you're going to look at the window outside, that's how you're going to see the neighbors' houses. Ta-da! The skies really look so amazing, so beautiful. Thank you for those people that really subscribe my channel. Now I am looking forward for 7K, so I hope that you are going to help me to reach that journey, that milestone again, as you did before, way back when I was still 1,000 subscribers. Thank you so much, people. I know I can't thank you enough for helping and continue supporting this channel, although it's really very rare for me to upload a video in the past couple of days. But that was really very busy days for me. But now I am going to try to upload a video for every week. I hope that you really do like this video, and if you do so, please leave a comment below. If you have any questions and any comments, do so share it on the comment section down below in this video. Happy New Year, and see you on my next video. Bye.